everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing sent by a lovely girl called Sarah, and our daughter Ruby, who's 6, bless her heart, has put something in this as well, I think. They've been dying for us to get it and open it, and luckily the PO box that I'm with, they were lovely and they fetched it on further to my house today because they were shut today, so that was lovely of them. They didn't have to do that. It was really nice of them. Said with everything going on, that's what they would do for us today. So that was really nice. But I've got it here. I'll just check there's nothing on there. And it's quite a size. It's heavy. I haven't been online for a few days because I've not felt well. As you know, I got like a bad tooth, which is all sorted. I've got some antibiotics, so I'm really happy. I'm going to just put that up right because I don't want to, yeah. I got some antibiotics, that's all sorted. And then, so I was 3 days in pain with my tooth, and then I think the stress of it all, I had a stinking migraine yesterday, which wouldn't go. I woke up at 1 in the morning with it, and it was there till 10 o'clock the next night. And it was relentless. I took tablets, nothing. I usually walk it off. It didn't work. I took 2 massive walks, it didn't go. And it's just horrible. So that finally went. I feel a little bit better today. Feeling up and at them to do these videos. I've got a video coming up for you later as well about the look I did the weekend, and then this as well. And right, let's get cracking because Sarah will be dying to see what's in the box, and I'm dying to see as well. So it's a lovely little boo box. It says I'm recycling the box, which I love recycling. We've got to recycle. Oh wow! So I've got a little letter here. I don't know if I can read it out. All right, I'm gonna read it. Oh my God. Oh, this is so precious. Right. Dear Lauren, please take these gifts as a token of thanks for all your amazing videos over the years. Your positivity and humour have helped me through some tough times. Now I share your videos with Ruby, and she loves you too. She has struggled with her confidence just like me and your and your makeup videos make her happy. She loves to try and copy you. Oh, and I've seen a photo, by the way, of Ruby's makeup, and she did a green look that I did, and it's just so cute. Thank you for helping us both feel beautiful. Love, Sarah and Ruby. Oh, isn't that lovely? And then look at this, little Ruby's made us this. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh wow, look. That is so gorgeous. Sarah, I'm going to put that in my hallway. I really am. That is so cute. That is to Lauren, love Ruby. Oh, I love it. That's going in my hallway. I'm going to get a little frame for that. That is so cute. Ruby, thank you so much. That is so lovely. You're a little artist, aren't you? I love the eyeshadow palette. You know me. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is special. That is very special. That is lovely. Right, we'll have a look what we've got sent. There's loads in here. Oh, the door's just banged. Wonder what that was. Wonder if someone's gone out. Gotta be careful because sometimes the door doesn't shut properly, and if the wind goes through the house. I thought I could smell strawberry. I could smell strawberry on the outer package. So we've got a strawberry Body Shop soap. I couldn't get my word out there. I'm still thinking of this picture. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Ruby, thank you so much. So this, a strawberry soap with real strawberry juice. Oh, I can't wait. I love soap and strawberry and stuff. Strawberry is one of me. Well, I like lemon and lavender, and strawberry and watermelon and coconut, and oh, that's beautiful. I can't wait to put that in. Everyone's going to pinch that. That's my soap. That's staying in mine. That's not, no one's getting their hands on that. Oh, this is really cute. There's loads of little bits and pieces. Oh, so I've got a little buffing brush. I love buffing brushes. I do have another one, but it's nice to have another one. So when you get that one's dirty, and I can put it in the wash, not worry. So a little buffing brush. Oh, lovely. Thank you. I like. I'll have to have a feel of this on the skin. Ooh. Come on. Oh, it's so thick and lush. I love it. Come on, out you. Oh, hey, that's good quality. It's amazing. Get the glue off the bottom of that. Oh, that feels lovely. Oh, it feels so lovely. Oh, I love it. Thank you very much. That is gorgeous. I put that there. There's just so much to open up. Right, we'll open this up first. What we got? Oh, Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. And this is, must be black. I would say it's black. But it'll be, let's have a look. Take the thing off. Oh, and it comes off really easy and all, thank God, because some of them, they don't come off. I've ripped nails and everything trying to pull that plastic stuff off. Oh, it's white. Oh, get in. It's like, oh, Sarah. It's super duper white. I needed a white liquid liner. Oh, you're an absolute star. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is lovely. What's this? Oh, it's an Nyx Jumbo Eye Pencil. I've got a couple of these now, but I don't have gold. Oh, brilliant. Oh, look at that. That is so lovely. Wow. I love jumbo pencils. I used to have milk and I lost milk. I don't know where it went, but I have a few other colours and they're just amazing. A jelly blush, Rimmel. I think this is going to be, it's called Peach Punch, which I haven't got many peaches. So this is really, really cool. This is so thoughtful. This is so thoughtful, Sarah and Ruby. Thank you very much. As you know, I love my little cream products in pots and stuff. I'm going to have to do a swatch of this. We've just got to. Oh, very wet, so be careful. Hang on. Put that there. I think it's melted with the heat, so we're going to just be careful. But this is very creamy product. I love creamy products. Put that there. I've got bits, look. I'll just use this stuff off my hand. Thought I could smell peach there. I think I'm imagining things now. Put the lid on that so it doesn't go everywhere. But that is going to be gorgeous on my cheeks. Oh yeah. Look at that. I love cream products. I think I'm a bit addicted. I think I already told you this like 1,000 times though. That is lovely. I love, and it's called Jelly, Rimmel Jelly Blush. Look at that. Beautiful colour. I've got loads of pink, so that's perfect. Just getting that off. Oh, and it stays put and all. Stuck on my thumb. So I put that to one side. What have we got here? Where are we? Oh, almond. Oh, I love almond and honey. So the Body Shop, and you might be able to hear funny noises. It's the wind. I've got this window open, and when it goes through the back, it makes like a noise like there's a bee in the room. So that's what it is, if you can hear that noise. Oh, shower cream. I was going to say shampoo. So almond milk body butter. Got to have a smell of this. I love body butter and almond. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love almonds and honey. It's beautiful. And then we've got the shower cream as well. Let's take a smell of this. I love it. That's so sweet. There. What have we got now? Oh, it's all wrapped up. Oh, wow. Wow. What's this? It's gorgeous. Oh, bless. It's a purse. It's gorgeous. I love it. You're not going to believe this. I actually need a purse. I'm not even kidding you. I've got this great big huggy thing that's ugly and hideous. And getting it out of my bag every time I go to the shop's embarrassing. Honestly, believe me, next time Martin's on, I'll get him. He'll be laughing at this. I needed a purse. This is so beautiful, and it's so my style. Sarah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at the French Bulldog on the front with a shoe. Well, it's on both sides. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, that's going to get used. That is my new purse. Wow. I can't even believe that. That is freaky. I haven't said anything about a purse, I'm sure. That is weird. Dear me. What we got? This is so lovely. Actually, oh wow. Ooh, Revolution. So this one is like a, let's have a look. Like a monochrome. Got a couple of Revolution palettes now. They're lovely. Let's get some swatches. I love swatching. I like Revolution products. Oh, I tell you, this one looks nice. That one. Oh, that one. Do some looks with that. I think I'm going to do a black and white monochrome one. It's even got a nice grey. Grey is really cool at the minute. Now I've got a dark grey, but I haven't got a light grey, and that's really smooth. Oh yeah, I can see a look coming together. I've got my eye on a look. I can't wait to play with this. Love, absolutely love. Get that off my hand before I put it everywhere. Absolutely love. Make sure I'm not putting anything in the bin. There's a little packet here. Oh, this one's from Ruby, look. Oh, bless. Oh, it's a little unicorn. Look at that. Revolution glitter eyeliner. This one is Fantasy Eyeliner Dragon. We've got to do a swatch of this. Let's have a look. So this is off Ruby. Sarah said she picked something. Isn't that so cute? She's so cute. Bless her. Let's have a look. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, I love this. Ruby, thank you very much. This is beautiful. Look at that. It goes on really well. Look at that. I can't wait to use that. We'll have to do a look for Ruby with that, don't we? We'll have to. We've got what we've got now. What is this? Let's have a look. Oh, is that my name? It is my name, isn't it? Look at that. Oh God, it's beautiful. I haven't got a big makeup bag, and this is just fantastic. A pair of yous have just absolutely made my day. It's gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. It looks so special and feels lovely. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I can get loads in there because my MAC bag is proper raggy, and I've only got like a massive big travel thing that hangs down. This is brilliant. I love it. Wow. Wow. Really, thank you so much. These are so special and thought out, and Ruby's lovely little gift, and a picture is beautiful. I love everything. Thank you so much, yous two. Oh, really, I don't know what to say. These are just, oh, and just, I love the picture, everything. Oh, I can't wait to go and show Martin all this as well, because every time I go, right Martin, I'm going to open my presents now, and so I've come back down and I'll go, look, and I'll like, look Jordan, and I can't wait to show them. And I'm going to get Martin to find a frame for this, and we'll put it in the landing and take a photo of it in the hallway for you, Ruby. Oh, Sarah, Ruby, thank you so much. This lot is lovely. I mean it. I'm so over the moon. That's going to go in my bag. I can put all my money in that, the money that I'm getting off furlough. Oh, wow. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And I hope you have enjoyed the video as well. Hope you have enjoyed it as much as I do. Oh, thank you. Right, I have to go now. But I hope you have enjoyed. Stay tuned. Stay safe. And zoom. I'm probably overwhelmed right now. Yeah. Okay. Woo. See you on the bit. Zoom.